After a honeymoon trip to Paris, France, Steve Wilson and his lovely bride came back with hundreds of photos of old world art. As Steve and the Anita Goodesign staff pored over them, they came up with this, the Golden Tapestry. Golden metallic thread on rich blue silk dupioni. But is that all there is for this pattern? Stick around and we'll find out, right here on Sammy's Workshops. And be sure to click on the like, subscribe, and the alert bell to get notified of new videos just like this one being uploaded and much more. Before we get to today's project, let's take a moment to talk about workshop safety. Be sure to read, understand, and follow all of the safety rules that come with both your hand and power tools. Knowing how to properly operate your tools and following these safety rules can significantly reduce the risk of damage and/or personal injury. And of course, there are no more important safety rules than to avoid loose clothing, long sleeves, and to wear safety glasses, hearing and respiratory protection as needed. Now let's get to today's project. Hello YouTube, my name is Sammy and welcome back to Sammy's Workshops. Today's video is on the rainbow of colors for the Anita Goodesign Golden Tapestry. Released back as a special edition back in 2013 after their honeymoon trip to Paris, France, the Wilsons and the staff at Anita Goodesign released this with the intention of sharing the elegance of old world handmade tapestries that are very common throughout Europe but rarely seen here in the US. And with the metallic gold thread on blue silk dupioni, they hit the mark. However, there are more colors in the rainbow than just those. So how would this look in other color sets? From the internet, I found gold thread on a beige background. Looks a little washed out to me, but still, it's almost like an old sepia tone photo. Next up, also from the internet, gold thread on a dark green background. Yummy! Can you tell I like those royal colors? Back to a more traditional gold on blue from my good friends Ian and Savannah Stout at Little Miss Magic Embroidery. This is blue Kona with a rayon gold thread. Now it's not metallic, but it's much easier to stitch out with the rayon and it still looks lovely. Next up, they also did a dark charcoal gray thread on silver fairy frost. A dark gray border with silver thread complements it perfectly too, and looks scrumptious. The last internet find is gold thread on a burgundy background. I really want to stitch this one out too. I still love those royals. And finally, my own first thought was an inverse color palette to light thread on a dark background. I came up with copper thread on yellow fairy frost, a copper border with golden yellow thread to complement it. I can't wait to finish this one off. And finally, my dear mom suggested a tone-on-tone palette for some subtle elegance. An olive green thread on dark green upholstery fabric. Add an olive border with a dark green thread, and you get a classy looking piece. Got to finish that one too. There you have it, a rainbow of colors for the Golden Tapestry. Just because the pattern maker sees it one way doesn't mean you can't go your own. Maybe you'll want to do pink thread on dark purple. It might look great. Let your imagination run or do like I did and stitch a few corner pieces to see how it works. Have fun whatever you do. I do hope this inspires you to test out your favorite colors. If you have questions on this or any other project I've done, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm more than happy to answer your questions. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and click on the alert bell to get notified of new videos being uploaded. I upload new videos usually each week on Wednesday, with some others in between as time and projects allow. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a website as well for patterns I digitize and plans to download. I'll also have links to tools and supplies I use if you want to to get some of the same items, you'll be able to find them. All those links will be in the comments down below as well. And until next time, see ya!